So today we're gonna get familiar with Seidat Templates and check how we can make our workflow easier with them. My name is Otto and today we're gonna build our own sales deck by using Seidat Templates. So all you really have to focus is to change some small details like fonts or brand image or some elements inside the slides. But the total structure is already there, so it's like a half made for you already. Pretty cool. So today we're gonna focus on the sales deck. Sales decks are essential part of the business meetings when you go to the clients. So it's pretty important to handle this workflow well. So let's just dig in and I will show you how this whole thing works. So when we open Seidat, we land on our dashboard where we should see all of our templates. So let's make a new presentation by copying a sales deck template and naming it as a sales deck. Now we can go and edit the presentation. So when we open the presentation, now we can see that there's this structure already made for us and it's modified for sales meetings. So we don't have to mind about that right now. But if in some case we're not happy with the structure, we can always modify it by dragging the slides back and forth any way we want to. But I would like to start by making this presentation to look like me. So first I would change the color. We can change the yellow color by just pressing the yellow area and finding another color for it. I will also show you a small trick how you can control your brand colors in the easiest possible way. In the brand editor you can set up your new color and save it. After this, you just need to go back to the slide, select the elements where you want to use the new color, then you just click above where you can find the new color. The new color and all the palettes can be found from there. And also if we want to, or if we have a company's logo, we can delete this text and find a company's logo and we can just put it in the slide like this. And also there's some additional text in the slide because it's information for people who are using this for the first time to get the idea what this is about. So we can just delete that away also. Now we can go back to the edit presentation mode and we can see how the slide changes. So now I'm just going to change the blue color to every slide. So I wanted to save your time and I fast forward for this point where I have all the slides as a blue. So now what I would do, I would change the text, but I don't have any text planned, so I'm just gonna show you how to change the font style. And in the real situation we would have our own texts of course, but now in this video we're not gonna do that. So let's go and change the font. So we go and edit the slide, we choose the text and we go up and choose any font we want. Another way to do this is we can go to brand editor and we can add a totally new font. We can name it as my style and we can just pick any font we want really and change the color. And we're gonna pick a white. And now we can do this again and we can find the font from below. And that is basically how you edit the text in the slides. And also we can play around with the background image or the pictures inside the slides. So we can just go and press set a background image and pick a picture and press insert the background, and voila, that's it, we have a new background for our slide. So there's a small image bank that you can use any way you want to. And also if you're not happy with the pictures inside there, you can always insert your own pictures to the platform. As earlier I mentioned that the structure is already built for you and you don't have to mind about that, but if you're not happy with the structure you can always go and shape it as you want. You can remove any slide by pressing remove slide and pressing OK. You can always add more slides there if you want to, and the easiest way to do this is just copy any slide and paste it. And that's all for this time. Now all you need to do is sign in and start your free trial and get started with the templates. There's also much more that I could cover in this video, so just let me know if there's something in your mind or something that you need a bit more education and I will do my best to help you. That's all, catch you in the next video, see ya!